Question 3 was your fractions question. I was quite excited when I found this question. I knew you'd enjoy it. Um, it was quite incredible to see some people actually multiply everything out and get some wonderful x to the 6 terms. But most people spotted that what they needed to do was just factorise absolutely everything in sight. The first bit, just an x minus 6, x plus 6. And down the bottom here, we've got a 6 and a 5, and they're both negative. This one here, a few people got this wrong. Quite a few people, actually not a few, lots of people just thought it was x plus 5 and x minus 5. But clearly that doesn't work. That gives you a positive x squared here. So it's minus all of that. And that minus does go missing in a lot of people's algebra. There's another way of doing that by just putting it 5 minus x and 5 plus x. Here on the next one, I've got a lot of people trying to factorise this using their calculators. And remember, calculators don't factorise. Calculators just solve things. So you do need to know how to factorise here. Here I'm looking for two numbers that times together to give 6, but I've got to make an 18 out of this. So I've got 18 there and a 1 there. So we've got all of that. And that needs to be equivalent to x plus 5 over 6 take away x. Well, we can cancel lots of these things here, can't we? So let's have a look. We've got an x plus 6 here to cancel with an x plus 6 here. An x minus that one and that one can cancel. We've got this one here can cancel with this one here. Those things cancel as well. And if we do all of that, we're left with this line here. Minus x plus 5, 2x plus 3 over ax squared plus bx plus c, and that equals the x plus 5 over the 6 take away x. And I think what I'd do now then, again, actually I could cancel both sides here. I'm going to cancel an x plus 5 on this side with an x plus 5 on that side, and then I'm going to put that up there and that up there. It leaves me with this is equal to the ax squared plus the bx plus c. So for the last bit, all I've got to do is multiply all of this out. So I'm getting here, what am I getting? I'm getting minus 2x squareds. Here I've got an 18. Here I've got minus 2x's, minus 12x's minus 3x's, which is 9x's there. And we've got the negative of all of that. So my last line is the answer I'm looking for. And so that minus went missing in places, that factorising went wrong, these factorisings went wrong. And I suppose the other thing to say, it's only 5 marks. It's 5 minutes. If you spent 7 or 8 minutes doing this, 9 or 10 minutes, you should have bailed out and gone and done something else instead.